Hey, I want to show you a couple things I've been working on whenever I just have time to do it. So this first one is documentation on Econotech. So it's docs.econotech.com. And I've just been posting different things here that might relate to maybe culture stuff or how we could work together, um, and other important things to know. Um, let's see here. I started an employee handbook, and it says uh, now this is based on some other influences, but I started it here and answered some basic questions for anything an employee might need to know, and then I extended that into Trello. So if you come in here, you can see like important things to know, and you've got like the I in Econotech is lowercase, and it's a Choctaw word for friend or friendship. We're self-funded, and so on and so forth. Uh, so you could look at different things in here and start to understand, like, oh, what's my travel job? So you get to go look at it and see what's written. Now the nice thing about doing this in Trello is if you come on here and you say, hey, I don't like this here, or I don't like the way this was written, or um, you have something to add, it's very easy to add. You could just add another card and say, owner is a role, and you could say minus. So you could add things, or if you see something you're not in agreement with or don't like. So say the team lead is the project leader, and it's not a traditional managerial role in the sense that they delegate tasks for the day and keep everyone in line. Because we're trying to hire talented and motivated people, we want to give them a degree of autonomy and let them get things done on their own and show us they can do that. So here I'm saying that the team lead should be the clearinghouse for the project, and they should be looking out to the future and ensuring that things are on track. So you could come in here and say, maybe like we need to talk about the implications. I don't know if I spelled that right. This, and then that way I'll get the comment update, and I'll know, okay, we need to look at that. And we could basically build an entire employee handbook defining roles and tasks and everything inside of Trello. And then when a new employee comes on, it would be really easy to just direct them to this board at any time, because you can also add in things they'll just need to know throughout their employment. So you could say like benefits, and then have vacation policy, and then fill that out with the relevant information. So anytime they say, oh, what's the vacation policy, they can jump in here and look at it. And then of course, like everything else, they can come look at, okay, what's my role? We're going to start a new team. What do I need to know about teams, or that kind of thing. So this is very much a work in progress, and like I said, I only do this when I have a few minutes. Usually had been doing it on lunch times, but anyways, I think I've got a little more time to kind of knock some of these things out, and I think they'll be important for the future growth. So I wanted to run it by you and see what you thought.